How could the Maverick in my right mind allow this moment to pass? The best football player of this generation, Lionel Andres Messi, and his Argentina team are back in a senior football final. This is fourth Copa America final, in addition to that one World Cup final in 2014. And I don't have to tell you that Messi is yet to win any of those senior football finals. I don't have to tell you either that in every single one of those championship games, Messi's personal performances fell below par. And these are not opinions, these are facts. Of course, Messi and Argentina will face host nation and arch rivals Brazil in this weekend's final. And the best thing going for Messi is the law of averages. Messi is due to win this one. In reality though, Brazil's unbeaten home record goes back to that infamous World Cup semi-final flogging in 2014. That is 7 going almost 8 years. But again, on the other hand, if there is one player in all of football who we would all love to have on any team in any single football game, that player is Lionel Messi. And even at 34, Messi is still the most gifted and complete player in the game today. Messi's only problem, and it's a major problem, and it's that in these big championship games, Messi tends to disappear.